on, guys? Ronnie here, back again with another video. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Wherever you're watching this from, I hope that you're having a fantastic day. This weekend here in DC has been, let's see, the weather is, what's the word I'm looking for? How can I describe this? Absolute dog shit. Yeah, it's basically been raining all weekend long, but that's okay because I don't let bad weather stop the good vibes. We still had a fantastic weekend, and the best way to start off any weekend is with some very cold and very wet out, which means brunch. Michael's in town. You guys remember Michael? What are you doing? It's a dead cat. What did you think of brunch, Luke? You guys remember Luke, right? Pretty good. I'm gonna cue a clip, my favorite clip of Luke right now.
I hate you.
That was great.
That's such an old video. It was so good to see some old friends again, and honestly, I've never really been much of a brunch person, but yo, I have been sleeping on brunch. How come no one ever told me how amazing brunch was? Such a good time. But you know what time it is now? It is mail time. Guys, you have no idea how stoked I am. This is the first time I ever got anything in my P.O. box, and I'm so stoked, man. This is awesome, dude. You guys are awesome. This is crazy. Looks like we got a couple of letters in here and a couple of goodies. Let's start off with a letter. Alright, so it looks like this is from Athens, Georgia. I didn't even know there was an Athens in Georgia. Yeah, so I got these stickers and nothing on the note except power here now. What? That's pretty awesome. So we got these 3 stickers. That's literally it. That's all the note says. I have no idea who sent this to me, but whoever you are, thank you. I appreciate it. Alright, let's see what else we got. Ooh, I think I know what this is. This is from our homie all the way in Florida, JD Tech TV. If you guys don't know who he is, definitely check him out. Alright, so JD sent me a Adventurers Out There. Victoria and JD invite you to join us as we celebrate our marriage with the most laid-back, unconventional wedding reception you've ever been to. Congratulations, JD! That's awesome. This invitation is so sick. I hope I can make it, JD. Congratulations again. Alright, so that's it for the letters. Now let's take a look at the goodies. I honestly have no idea what this is. So let's go ahead and open that one up now. Whoa! What? Someone sent me a speaker! A Bluetooth speaker! Oh, that's sick! So this speaker is from the company PowerAd. Power your life. Dude, that is awesome. I don't have one of these. I definitely need one. Yo! Oh! This is so cool! This is so awesome! Oh yeah, this thing can take a beating for sure. Dude, this is awesome. It's got a little strap too. You can hook it onto your backpack when you go for a ride on your electric skateboard. Thank you so much, PowerAd. Let's see how it works. That's got some bass to it. But trust me, I've seen stranger things. This world don't feel the same. Dude, that is awesome. Thank you so much, PowerAd. I definitely need one of these. This sound is sick. And I can't wait to take this with me when I go on an electric skateboard ride, when I go on a regular skate session. Pretty much anywhere I go, definitely gotta have this with me. Thank you so much for sending this to me. This thing is so cool. Whoa, alright, let's go ahead and crack open this one. I have a good idea of what it is. Actually, I 100% know what it is, but I'm still super stoked to check it out in person. So this was sent to me by my boy Levi over at PackSafe. What? He gave me something extra. Sup, Ronnie? Just wanted to say thanks for your interest in PackSafe. Hope all is well with you and all the best to your future endeavors. Keep having fun and enjoying life. Cheers, Levi. Thank you, Levi. I am definitely having fun. Hope you are too, man. I appreciate all of this. Yo, Levi hooked it up. He sent me a RFID blocking wallet. Dude, you're saying this wallet will protect me from scams? Dude, this is sick. I could use a new wallet actually. Dude, thank you, thank you. Looks like we also have an anti-theft Sling camera strap. Put this on like this. My camera hangs from over here. Yo, this would be awesome for when I'm on vacation taking pictures and I just want my camera ready. Boom, boom, clap, 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 boom. Dude, this is sick. I definitely don't have one of these, and I'm so stoked that I have one. I got more presents today than I actually did on Christmas, dude. Thank you so much. Last but not least, this backpack. So it looks like this is a collaboration backpack with Quicksilver and PackSafe. 40-liter carry-on backpack. Dude, I'm actually gonna be doing a lot of traveling in the next couple of months. I am so stoked that I have a good carry-on backpack for this. Whoa, there's a lock here on the side. Anti-theft? Oh, that is sick. Dude, that is awesome. Ooh, little rain guard here to protect your stuff from getting wet. So many different pockets, I don't know what to do with them. Thank you so much, Levi, for everything you just gave me. Thank you, PackSafe. If you guys want some more information about PackSafe and everything else I talked about in this video, it'll all be linked down below. This came in just in time. And it's a Quicksilver collaboration too. Oh, this thing is so cool. So many goodies today. I am so stoked. Two more things to open up. This is from Flatland 3D. Oh, yes! Steve over from Flatland 3D was kind enough to send me some riding gloves, a sticker, and a skate tool. They're the world's first glove designed specifically for e-skate. These gloves incorporate all the features needed for protection, safety, and comfort without sacrificing safe control of your electric skateboard remote. Fits like a glove. I just had to say it. And the fact that there's protection here on the palms, that is sick. I hope I never fall so I can really test it out. But I've got some peace of mind knowing that if I do, I'll be protected. Thank you so much, Steve. If you guys want a pair of these yourselves, go ahead and check them out, link down below. All right, and the last but not least item is from Superior Ink. These are LED clips for your shoes. Whoa. Whoa! You know, I think these would be perfect for nighttime riding if you're commuting on an electric skateboard, or even if you're just running or riding a bike. Visibility is always good. Having these would be awesome. Dude, thank you guys so much. This is sick. I feel like with these, you'd be looking like real life Tron. But being seen at night could literally save your life. You guys have no idea how many times I've either been biking or riding a skateboard at night and cars just don't see me because it's so dark out. With these, you're set. How can you not be seen? You clip these on your shoes. Heck, you can even clip these on to anything. Catch me like this at your next rave. Let's wait for it to get dark so we can really try these things out. So these things are really cool and all, but I'm not gonna lie, I kind of feel like a little kid with some light up shoes on. I wanna put up a fight. But you've been gone away too long. Huge thank you to everyone who sent me something. Dude, that was my first time ever getting anything in a P.O. box, and it was awesome. Oh man, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Anyways, if you guys want to send me something, my P.O. box is linked down below. If you guys send me something, I'll definitely be opening it up here on camera. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly did enjoying opening up all those goodies. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give the video a thumbs up, even if you're the type of person who never gives a video a thumbs up, just because every little like helps to grow this channel. Anyways, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell to be a part of the Stoked Squad. And until next time, guys, stay stoked.